Tonight, most seniors will lose muscle while they sleep. Your body quietly eats its own muscle fibers just to keep breathing. That's 8% gone every decade unless you change one habit tonight. In the next 3 minutes, about as long as it takes your body to decide whether to build or burn muscle, you'll learn the 8 bedtime foods that flip the switch to overnight growth. I know this because I've reviewed hundreds of peer-reviewed studies from Harvard to the Journal of Gerontology, and they all point to the same simple solution hiding in your kitchen right now. Most seniors believe their bodies are weakening simply because they're getting older. But research shows that muscle wasting happens primarily during sleep when your body lacks protein fuel for repair and recovery. This process breaks down muscle tissue to provide amino acids for essential functions. It's about understanding which foods flip the switch from muscle breakdown to muscle building while you sleep. Hit like. So YouTube shows this life-saving tip to the seniors who need it tonight. Educational only. Talk with your doctor for personal advice. Type "Sleep Strong" in the comments if you're ready to learn which 8 bedtime foods can stop muscle wasting and help you wake up stronger every morning. Here's what most people don't understand about muscle loss and aging. The weakness isn't happening during the day when you're active. It's happening at night when your body enters recovery mode but lacks proper fuel to rebuild. Harvard research shows seniors who consume specific proteins before bed maintain significantly more muscle mass, better balance, and greater independence. The right bedtime foods can trigger muscle protein synthesis for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. But going to bed without proper nutrition creates the opposite effect. Your body becomes a muscle-eating machine, breaking down strength to fuel basic functions. After age 60, this process accelerates due to anabolic resistance, where muscles become less responsive to protein. The solution is understanding which foods support overnight muscle building. Coming up first, the forgotten diet food that turns into an 8-hour drip feed of protein. Muscle-building food number 8 is cottage cheese. Here's why this old-fashioned food is a modern muscle-saving miracle. The secret lies in the protein it contains, called casein. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein digests slowly, releasing amino acids steadily over 6 to 8 hours. Think of it like a slow-burning candle that provides steady light all night long. In a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, older adults were given casein before bed. The results: a 31% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. The group didn't just preserve muscle, they built more muscle while sleeping, even without exercise. How to use it effectively: eat half a cup of cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. If the taste feels too plain, add banana slices, cinnamon, or honey. Keep sugars minimal. For an extra boost, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Cottage cheese contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and helps you fall asleep faster. Perfect for seniors who wake frequently or feel stiff upon waking. That's another way to wake up with knees that don't wobble. Next up, the complete protein that works like a muscle-building switch even while you sleep. Muscle-building food number 7 is hard-boiled eggs. Here's why this simple food offers powerful muscle protection. Each egg contains around 6 grams of complete protein with all essential amino acids. But the real star is leucine, an amino acid that acts like a switch to turn on muscle-building processes. Think of leucine as the key that starts your muscle repair engine. After 60, your body becomes less responsive to protein, requiring more of it and higher quality to trigger muscle repair. A 2021 study in Nutrients tracked adults over 60 who ate eggs before bed for 12 weeks. Results showed a 19% higher rate of muscle preservation. Participants also had increased levels of IGF-1, a growth hormone supporting tissue repair. How to use them: eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs 30 minutes before bedtime. Sprinkle with turmeric or black pepper. For more satiety, pair with avocado slices or whole grain toast. Eggs won't spike blood sugar and require no cooking once prepared. Perfect for seniors with low evening appetite or those recovering from exercise or therapy. So you can lift the kettle without a tremor tomorrow morning. Coming next, the surprising seafood that delivers steady muscle fuel for 8 straight hours. Muscle-building food number 6 is tuna packed in olive oil. Tuna might not be a typical bedtime snack, but when it comes to preserving muscle mass, after 60, it's one of the most powerful tools available. Tuna contains high amounts of leucine and is low in unhealthy fats, easy to digest, and won't spike blood sugar. The real magic happens when tuna is packed in olive oil. Olive oil provides monounsaturated fats that slow digestion, allowing amino acids to stay in the bloodstream longer and feed muscles steadily through the night. Think of tuna as high-quality fuel and olive oil as the delivery system that keeps it working all night long. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested this combination. Those who consumed protein-rich, fat-rich foods before bed experienced 34% increased overnight muscle protein synthesis and less morning muscle soreness. Thousands of seniors now keep tuna in olive oil as their evening protein source. How to use it? Eat half a can of tuna in olive oil. Pair with cucumber slices or lemon. Always choose oil-packed, not water-packed, because the oil extends nutrient delivery overnight. That's how you wake up feeling like your legs remember how to be strong. If you found this information helpful so far, please tap that like button to help others find it. Next up, the creamy superfood that delivers 3 types of muscle support in every spoonful. Muscle-building food number 5 is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt delivers a powerful trio of benefits: slow-digesting casein protein, probiotics for digestion, and calcium for muscle contraction and bone strength. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is triple-strained, removing extra sugar and water, leaving you with higher protein content. Think of Greek yogurt as concentrated protein that's been strengthened for maximum muscle benefit. In a clinical study in Frontiers in Nutrition, older adults consumed Greek yogurt before bed for 6 weeks. Results: a 26% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis, improved mitochondrial activity in muscle cells, and participants reported feeling more energized the next morning. Thousands of seniors now end their day with Greek yogurt and wake up feeling more refreshed and mobile. How to use it? Eat half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 45 minutes before bedtime. Add cinnamon, berries, or vanilla extract for flavor. Mix in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for extra benefits. Avoid sugary flavored yogurts, which can disrupt sleep and counter the muscle-building effects. Greek yogurt's high calcium content supports smoother muscle contractions and nerve signaling, helping reduce nighttime cramps and encouraging deeper sleep. Another way to ensure your morning movements feel fluid instead of stiff. Coming up, the ancient remedy that modern science proves melts away inflammation while building muscle. Muscle-building food number 4 is warm milk with turmeric. This traditional bedtime drink, also known as golden milk, actively reduces inflammation and joint pain while enhancing muscle recovery. Milk provides casein protein, calcium, tryptophan, and vitamin D. Turmeric contains curcumin, nature's potent anti-inflammatory compound. For older adults, this combination is crucial because chronic inflammation drives muscle breakdown, joint pain, and poor recovery. Think of this drink as a gentle way to calm inflammation while providing the building blocks your muscles need for overnight repair. A 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience found older adults who consumed this drink before bed experienced 32% increased overnight muscle protein synthesis and reduced inflammatory markers. Thousands have made golden milk their nightly ritual. How to prepare: warm 1 cup of milk without boiling. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Optional. Add honey. Sip 30 minutes before bedtime. Perfect for seniors with joint pain, morning stiffness, or anyone struggling with poor sleep. So you wake up moving like your joints got oiled overnight. Next, the 1 spoonful powerhouse that shields your muscles from stress while you sleep. Muscle-building food number 3 is almond butter. Here's why this small but mighty snack provides powerful overnight muscle protection. Almond butter provides healthy unsaturated fats that slow digestion, providing steady energy throughout the night. It contains plant-based protein and vitamin E, a potent antioxidant supporting tissue repair. A 2020 study in Nutrients found older adults who added almond-based fats to their nightly routine experienced improved muscle preservation and lower stress hormone levels. Think of almond butter as protecting your muscles from stress breakdown. Thousands keep almond butter bedside for strength maintenance. How to use it: eat 1 tablespoon 30 minutes before bedtime. Choose natural almond butter with no added sugars or oils. Another way to ensure you wake up with energy that doesn't fade by noon. Coming up, the natural sleep enhancer that doubles as a muscle recovery miracle. Muscle-building food number 2 is tart cherry juice. This isn't just a trendy health fad. It's one of the most scientifically supported nighttime tools. Tart cherry juice is rich in anthocyanins, natural antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It naturally contains melatonin for deeper sleep and reduces oxidative stress, a major factor in poor recovery and joint inflammation. A 2019 study found adults over 50 who consumed tart cherry juice before bed experienced 33% less muscle soreness, 15% better sleep quality, and higher melatonin levels. Think of tart cherry juice as natural muscle recovery. Thousands now drink this before bed. How to use it: drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Dilute with water if too tart, so you wake up feeling restored instead of depleted. And here's the number 1 muscle-building champion that works even if you never set foot in a gym. Muscle-building food number 1 is whey protein shake. If you've always thought whey protein was just for bodybuilders, think again. Adults over 60 need whey protein more than anyone because the body's ability to absorb and build muscle protein declines rapidly with age. Whey contains all 9 essential amino acids, including an especially high dose of leucine. Think of leucine as the key that starts your body's muscle-building process. Without enough of it, all the other nutrients just sit there unused. A clinical trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested whey protein before bed in adults over 65. Results showed 22% increased overnight muscle protein synthesis, lower muscle breakdown markers, and improved strength and balance. Thousands of seniors now end their day with a protein shake and report feeling stronger and more confident in their movements. How to use it: mix 1 scoop of whey protein, isolate with water or almond milk. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. For added flavor, blend in half a banana, almond butter, or cinnamon. Choose whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey, low in lactose, and ideal for older adults. Avoid sugar, cream, or store-bought mass gainers that can disrupt sleep. Whey protein doesn't just prevent muscle loss, it actively stimulates new muscle growth while you sleep when your body is naturally in its deepest recovery phase. This is your golden key to maintaining strength, independence, and quality of life well into your later years. Choose any one of these tonight, just one, and feel the difference when you stand up tomorrow morning. Why tomorrow? Because muscle protein synthesis starts within hours if you feed it. Let me walk you through practical implementation. Start with just one food from this list tonight. Choose based on your specific needs. Cottage cheese for gentle digestion, eggs for complete protein, Greek yogurt for probiotics, or whey protein for maximum muscle building. Consider your current health conditions when making choices. If you take blood thinners, discuss turmeric with your doctor. If you have kidney issues, monitor protein intake carefully. If you're lactose intolerant, choose plant-based alternatives or lactose-free options. Focus on timing these foods 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime for optimal absorption and minimal sleep disruption. Start with smaller portions to assess tolerance, then gradually increase as your body adapts. Today's bedtime choice can determine whether you wake up stronger or weaker tomorrow morning. These 8 foods provide your body with specific nutrients needed to shift from muscle breakdown to muscle building during sleep. After 60, you don't need heavy weights or medications to stay strong. All it takes is eating the right food at the right time. Each food acts like a silent builder, reconstructing your strength while you sleep and helping you wake up with steadier legs, less pain, and more energy. You now have the knowledge to stop nighttime muscle wasting and start building strength while you sleep. This information could help you maintain the independence and vitality that lets you enjoy the activities you love for years to come. Click subscribe now so you don't miss tomorrow's strength. Type yes if you're testing one of these foods tonight. Next video. 3 5-minute evening stretches proven to double the overnight muscle building effect. Click the notification bell so YouTube finds you when it drops. Share this information with your adult children, grandchildren, neighbors, or friends who want to wake up stronger instead of weaker each morning. Your recommendation might help them preserve their strength and independence for years to come. Stay prepared, stay informed, and keep making choices that support the vibrant, independent life you deserve. This information is for educational purposes only and should never replace personalized medical advice from qualified healthcare professionals who understand your unique health circumstances.